It is a top priority for Welsh farmers and vets to keep farm animals healthy and safe by providing them with the best quality care.
Arwain DGC supports a network of vets called the Veterinary Prescribing Champions, or VPCs. They represent farm and mixed practices across Wales. We've worked with them to create their own bespoke antimicrobial stewardship action plans, tailored to the needs of their practice and client base. Our VPCs have been highly trained to promote responsible medicine use in farm animals. In addition to this network, two specialist working groups of VPCs have developed key initiatives to support the veterinary profession to prescribe responsibly. One of these initiatives aims to create a voluntary code of conduct for veterinary prescribing. The code outlines actions that can support vets to make the right decisions when prescribing antimicrobials. For example, the code defines when an animal is considered under the care of a vet. Ideally, vets from the same practice will visit a farm regularly and have good knowledge of the animals, which will help vets prescribe responsibly. It also defines responsible use of antibiotics. Responsible use doesn't mean using no antibiotics, it means using the right antibiotic at the right dose, as little as possible, but as often as necessary. From 2023, all farm practices in Wales will receive a copy of the final Code of Conduct.
We are at the forefront of promoting responsible antibiotic use on Welsh farms by connecting industry experts and researchers with farmers and vets. For more information, please visit our website and follow us on social media using the hashtag @ArwainDGC.